Is BabaCash app really an easy way to earn instant cash and passive income online, or is it a waste of time? My name's Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and recently quite a few viewers have asked me about this app, so I decided to take a closer look, and in this BabaCash app review I'll give you an inside look and show all the details so you can figure out if it's really worth your time or not. So let's start by going over who can join, and BabaCash is, as far as I can see, available in more or less all countries. There might be a few countries where it's not available, but before downloading it, please watch this full video so you know what to expect. There are some quite important details you need to consider. It is, however, only available for Android devices, so if you have an iOS device, I do have a video about ways where you can earn on your iOS device instead. I'll leave a link in the top corner there. And as you can see on the landing page here, it says that it's a way to make easy money online and earn cash instantly. It also says that it can help you increase your passive income. So I decided to put this to the test, and let me now log in, and then I will show you exactly how it works and my opinion and experiences about it. So I have now logged into BabaCash, and as you can see here, it's a fairly simple dashboard, so you can just quite easily get an overview of the different earning options. What was a little bit weird was though that I've not been asked to actually create an account, so it's not that I've logged in. So just be aware that, for example, if you lose access to your phone or you delete it or something like that, you can't log in and continue whatever you have there. So that's just something to keep in mind. So let's go over the different earning opportunities you have here, and as you can see, a big one here is play to earn. So how that would work is that you just click it, and then you have a list of different games you can play here, and you will then earn coins per task, per minute, depending on it. So this is kind of these playtime rewards apps here. So you can see there's a few different ones. How many there are will depend on where you live and all that. So sometimes also when you download one, then more will be available. So you would have to click here to play, but first you can also click to read more. So you can see, for example, here it says like when you complete level 3, then you'll get 19 coins. We'll go over the value of that later because that's important to be aware of to find out if it's actually worth it. And then you can see all this, like the total what you'll be able to earn would be these 346 coins there. And let me just say right away that that would take quite a long time to read. I have played, you can see, go to my games here, you can see what I played here. This one here, the total I could earn was up to these 600 there, and you can see all these. First play 1 minute, then you get 9 coins, that's okay. Play another minute, 10, okay, then 2, there 4. Then here at the end where I reach now here, you see, then I would have to play 27 minutes to get 18 coins. So just keep that in mind, because when we talk about the payout threshold and how much I've earned in here and all this, that this is the reason why I've stopped playing this game here and all that, because the earnings here, it just would take way too long to earn anything of real value. So you can see, for example, now here 27 minutes for 18 coins here, 30 minutes for 20 coins, 34 minutes for 20 coins there. So again, we'll go over the value of the coins a little bit later. For now, let me just say that it's not a lot of value you get for your time here compared to many other playtime apps you can use. But let's then go over some of the other earning options it has. So you also have these offers and surveys, and these are basically these providers of offers, surveys that you also find inside many other apps or websites. But I have tried to qualify for a lot of surveys here, and in general you will never qualify for all surveys. I know that I've tested hundreds of different survey sites, but here it was just really bad user experience, and I had a very hard time qualifying for any compared to what I usually experience on other apps and websites. And overall the rewards also here for the surveys I would get, and also for the paid offers that you can find on some of these other offer walls or areas there, the rewards are just not good enough compared to what you can find on other platforms. But they do have a way where you can get some extra benefits, so let's just talk about that before we talk about the payout options and how much you can overall earn. So you can see here that you can become a gold member once you have had your first payout. And the benefits of that is that supposedly then you will earn 3 times more. You will also have a lower payout threshold, and you will also have higher paying tests. So I'm assuming what they're referring to is that you will get access to higher paying surveys. Now that's what they say here, but even with a 3 times higher earning rate for some of these options here, it would still not compete in my personal experience. But let's just jump to the cash out section so you can see why I'm saying this here, the value of the coins, how you can get paid and all that. So I've now jumped to the payout section, and as you can see, I could get paid via PayPal. I would need to earn $2.50. So usually that would not actually be too much, because $2.50, it's a low payout threshold. On many sites and apps, it's quite easy to earn them. But as you can see, I would need to earn 2,500 coins, or gold as they call it, to get to this threshold here. So that means 1,000 coins or 1,000 gold is worth $1. So that means 100 coins would be 10 cents. And if we just jump back here and see my earnings, you can see here it's just loading here, but in the top corner you can see I have very close here to the payout threshold, because there was some different joining bonuses when I first joined that made it quite easy to get to this level here. And then I tried to play that game that I showed you before, and you can say like, oh, you're so close now, why do you not just try to just earn those 10 cents that I need so I can actually cash out and make sure that it pays and all these things? Well, the reason is that I also value my time, and I already saw there with the game, I spent a lot of time here, and I've also tried a lot of service, and I just couldn't qualify for any of them. I ended up wasting a lot of time, and then I calculated with this game that I played the most here, which was also one of the highest ones, paying ones that I saw there, that to earn another 10 cents there, I would have to spend something like another 3 or 4 hours to earn 10 cents to cash out. And for me, that's just not worth it. Again, I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and I'm not going to spend 3 or 4 hours trying to earn another 10 cents just to cash out here $2.50. It's just not worth it. There's so many other more effective platforms and ways to do that. So for these reasons, because of these low rewards, it's just an app that I will not be using anymore. So overall, it does look like BabaCash is a legit app, and it can be a way to earn some extra money, but it's just not an app that I will be using anymore, because the usability and especially the rewards, it's just not good enough in my opinion. That's just my personal opinion, my experience, based on having tested hundreds of different ways to earn online. If you have other experiences, other opinions, or the same, please feel free to share in the comment below. It would be great to hear from you. But personally, this is not an app that I will be using anymore, because I already feel like I've wasted enough time on it. And on the page, as I showed you at the beginning there, description of the app, it says that you can earn passive income, increase your passive income. There's nothing passive about the ways you can earn here. So I just don't like when people mention that or use the word passive income, just throw it around like it's super easy, because there's nothing passive about what this app offers. So not an app that I'll be using anymore. If you want to see my top recommended reward apps instead, I do have a list of those on my website. I'll leave a link to that below. I also do have a list of apps that actually offers passive income, not a lot, but that are actually passive. So I'll leave a link to that below also, so you can check that out if that's what you're going for. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.